सरस्वतीचे गोदाईच्या पुण्यतीरावर मंदिर सरस्वतीचे ज्ञानपीठ हे गुणवंतांचे वैभव या मातीचे वैभव या मातीचे.
Welcome to the 8th lecture of the course Fiber Optics Network Design and Maintenance. In this lecture we will be studying the OTDR in detail and we will see the demo also. This is that optical time domain reflectometer. Let us watch the demonstration for this instrument, how to connect the instrument to the optical link and how to do the analysis, how to analyze the faults. Let us start the demonstration of this equipment OTDR, that is optical time domain reflectometer. In this OTDR, first we have to just switch on the instrument so that the different menu will be displayed: OTDR, VFL and general. In that we have to select the first option, that is OTDR. Now in this OTDR we have these connectors available. So you can see the first connector, that is named as OTDR. Here we have to fix the one end of the fiber, optical fiber link, from where we have to do the analysis of the link. So we can put one end of the fiber into this. So we have this connector which we can put it over here. So just put the connector here and then screw it. Now the fiber is fixed and now we can start doing the analysis of the link. So we will select this OTDR. Now in this OTDR you can just see the screen where we have to do the different settings. So press this settings. Here you can see the wavelength selection option is available: 1550 nanometer and 1310 nanometer. So if I choose the first one, after that again there are different modes for test mode selection. Either you can go for manual mode or we can go for auto or real time. So any particular mode can be selected. If auto mode will be selected, we have to give some different parameters like the link length and all. The rest of the parameters will be selected by the system itself. If you will choose manual mode, then all parameters can be manually set, like range, how much is the link length, that you can set like 50 km, 100 km. After that the test time, so for how much time you want to send the signal. After that attenuation, if the signal is of large amplitude then we can attenuate it, or we can have the splice loss, return loss, end of the fiber. So these are the return values after testing the system. So once the settings are done, we can go for this OK option. And now I can press this test knob so that now the system will start testing. So it will send the optical pulse on the fiber and the reflected signal will be catched, and accordingly it will just show us the display. Now on this display we can do the different measurements. Let us see how to do these measurements. Now this is the same instrument which just now we have seen the demo. Now in this instrument you can see the trace is obtained on this screen. So this is this particular edge indicates the starting of the fiber and this edge indicates the end of the fiber. And you can see this trace. So magnitude of the signal is decreasing as the signal travels over the fiber link, and in between you can see some peaks are there, these are nothing but the reflections because of some event, like there may be in between some connector, there may be some splice over there. Now on the x-axis we have distance along the fiber, y-axis we have power, optical power in decibel. So how much is the reflection or how much is the loss and from which distance of the fiber, like this is the starting 0 kilometer and this may be 5 kilometer. At 5 kilometer distance there is one splice and this is the loss due to that splice. So like this we can analyze the signal and we can do the analysis of the whole link. So if there is some break in the fiber, then that can also be checked over here, because from the break we can obtain a large reflected peak and we can find out that at this much particular length of the fiber there is a break in the fiber. So we can analyze the different things, we can find out how many connectors, how many splices are there, how much is the loss across the splice, and whether the signal is reaching to the destination or not. All these things can be checked with the help of this instrument. So we have completed this OTDR basics and its demo. So now I think everybody can use this instrument and they can find out the faults in the optical link as well as they can do the analysis of the link. Thank you.